Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to update drivers in Windows 11. So the first step is to write the updates in the search bar and click check for updates. Then you want to make sure that everything is updated here. The next step is to go into the advanced options here, then go to optional updates and make sure that all of these are updated as well. Just tick them and download and install. So the third step is to actually go into your device manager by typing device manager in your search bar and clicking the device manager. Then you can update whichever driver you want here. The fourth step is to actually go into your graphics driver. So I have NVIDIA here. I'm going to open NVIDIA app. Then you're going to go to drivers and then click the refresh icon here and make sure you install the latest driver available here. So that's it for the video, guys. If this video helped you, then make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you with the next one.